The next step after creating your account with Noodle Tools is to then create a new project, because as you can see here, I have no projects listed. So it's like an empty folder or an empty binder waiting for your collection of items that go in for the project. So we have to name the project first. So we're going to select the green button on the top right hand side, New Project. I'm going to give my project a title of a character that I'm researching. You can give it a title either designated by your teacher or the topic that you're studying or the character that you're studying. So I am going to give it a name of Abraham Lincoln. My teacher has asked me to do Chicago citation style, so I'm going to select that. And then on the citation level, I'm going to select advanced. And again, that's something that's going to be designated or specified by your teacher. You always have to make sure you get the instructions from your teacher. And then I'll hit submit. And we are already seeing that the project title is here and the information that we've input is here as well. So we can just double check. Abraham Lincoln, it's Chicago, it is advanced. There are no sources right now. We have to go look for those. No note cards and nothing attached. And that is how you establish a new project.